Greetings and welcome in this lecture on LaTeX packages. The importance of LaTeX packages lies in their ability to enhance and extend the core capabilities of the LaTeX system. These packages offer added functionality and customization possibilities that go beyond the fundamental features of LaTeX. They enable users to format diverse elements such as text, tables, equations, graphics, and more, tailoring LaTeX to the precise requirement of their document. This versatility makes LaTeX suitable for a wide range of applications from academic research papers to presentation and beyond. Without these packages, LaTeX would be limited in its capabilities, making it less practical for intricate and specialized document formatting needs. In this lecture, we will introduce various common LaTeX packages and guide through their installation. This knowledge will empower you to harness the full potential of LaTeX for scientific documentation, typesetting, and beyond. So these are main two agenda which we want to cover here. One is type of packages and use of packages. Both these two things will be covered in this lecture. So first I am going to show you here how you can activate the package in your scientific document. To activate the package, we will use this use package. At this place we will put the options. Options are some more information about the package, and the name of package will be inserted at this place. So when you will use this statement, we can easily activate the required package for our document. Here you can see some common packages which can be included in your document. So first you can see here EMS Math. This provide additional mathematical typesetting for our document. Then we have EMS symbol which help us for the mathematical symbols. EMS theorem is used to maintain theorem formatting for EMS publication, and many other publications are also required EMS theorem. Fancy header package is used for the customizable headers and footer. Graphics we can use to maintain graphics support, and this is also the graphics that will provide extended graphics support. We can also use this package instead of the above. Hyperreference is used to navigation support for PDF document, and if you want to insert URL in your document, then we will use URL package. This will give us clickable URL support. Times is one of the name of the font, and you can use Times for Times Roman, and NetBib is also used to manage references in your scientific documentations. Here are some examples to use these packages. You can use a one by one package in your scientific document. As you can see here, EMS Math is used at this place, and in the second statement we have EMS theorem, and in the third statement you can see the use of EMS symbol. Or the another way, if you are familiar that you need several packages, as you can see by using this one statement we can insert several packages at one time: EMS Math, EMS theorem, EMS symbol, EMS text, EMS font, EMS CD, EMS references. So these several packages are used here, and these are separated by using the comma. So different packages can be used by using the single statement. Here you can see some more detail about the package. Here we are using geometry, and options will be used at this place. So here you can see top, left, bottom, right options are used at this place. 1 inch each is equal to 1 inch. You can customize according to your scientific document, and we can easily maintain the margin of our document. This process offers a user-friendly method for initiating the activation of your documentation package. At the outset, it is essential to have an internet connection in order to complete the activation process successfully. However, once the activation is complete, you gain the flexibility to utilize the package without an internet connection, making it an versatile and accessible tool. In the upcoming lectures, we shall use this package in the LaTeX for scientific documentations. I want to express my gratitude for your dedicated engagement throughout my lecture, and I am thankful for your continued participation until the end.